Here at Gulfood Manufacturing 2025, we are going to meet Matteo Casalini, Middle East and Africa Sales Manager of the Italian company FMT, to take a closer look relating their presence in the Gulf area. FMT have been present at Gulfood Manufacturing since the first edition. Matteo, how much is important for you, the Gulf area?
Hi Sonia, thanks for joining us today as usual. So basically this is one of the best exhibitions, the most important exhibition we have for FMT, because from its very beginning we decided to attend it, and it's always given us very big results in terms of, let's say, new customers, existing customer, and very good deals, let's say. With this exhibition, we look to several markets, let's say GCC countries markets, of course, African markets, as well Asian markets. So with just one exhibition, we can have an insight of 3 markets at a time.
Could you give us to our Middle East audience a preview about your kind of plans?
So basically, in the last year, we noticed a significant growth in all the areas. Therefore, we decided to invest a lot. And this investment, of course, led us to have new customers, a lot of new lines successfully installed. But the main outcome of this huge investment was the fact that FMT was broadly considered one of the main players in terms of complete line supplier. This is possible, of course, due to our internal structure, because we have several manufacturing divisions. For example, processing division, which takes care of tomato and legumes. Filling and closing division, which is the pillar of our factory, thermal treatment division, palletizing and depalletizing, and conveying division. Thanks to all these several activities, we can provide a full solution. So basically, our lines were reflecting this internal structure, and we are no longer considered like a supplier for our customer, but more like a partner.
Which kind of companies do you supply? I mean, big, middle, small?
So for us, each customer is important, of course. And we mainly focus on particular products today, which are gaining more and more market, like, for example, condensed milk, processed cheese, legumes, spreadable creams like chocolate and peanut butter, as well as soft drink. And of course, the target of the customer has changed over the years for us, because we started from medium, small customer, and then we are looking for multinational and big brands, which are, of course, already most of them are our customers in the region.
Let's focus on the exhibitions. You attended to several and a huge number of exhibitions worldwide. We met in September at DrinkTech, now in Gulfood Manufacturing. What are your plans for the 2026?
So we will attend, of course, the main exhibition for the next year, which will be Interpack and Cibus Tech. But of course, in terms of regional exhibition for the GCC countries, we will attend Saudi Food Manufacturing in the month of June. And also an insight on the North African market with Jasa Group.
So for the Middle East audience, the appointment with the FMT will be at Saudi Food Manufacturing in June, and then in Gulfood Manufacturing. Thank you, Matteo. Thank you to FMT.
Thank you very much.